Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer, and in this video we are going to be learning how to contact customer support for Bleach Soul Resonance. If you're facing a problem in the game like login issues, missing items, payment errors, or bugs, then contacting support is simple. First of all, launch open the Bleach Soul Resonance game on your device and make sure you are also connected to the internet. From the main home screen or the lobby screen, go to the upper right corner and tap on the menu button. Once you do that, from the menu option, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Other. Now under Other, scroll down and look for Contact Customer Service option. Tap on Contact right next to it. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see this menu where you can easily choose one of the FAQs from the left-hand side menu that you need help with. If you want to contact the customer support directly, then click on the headphone icon at the bottom right corner, this one over here, and this will take you to Support Center. From here, go ahead and enter your query in the text box at the bottom. Write down your question for whichever category you need help with, and once you do that, sending the query to the support center. If you don't find the query's answer, click on Submit Feedback, and then you can select one of the question type you want to report from the menu. Select the feedback details on the next page, and from here, you can go ahead and submit a ticket. First, enter the character name or ID, enter the problem or the description, select the time when the problem occurred, and then enter your last login time. Answer if you have ever changed the login devices, if yes or no, and then go ahead and upload your relevant screenshot for the problem that you are facing. You can also upload a video file and finally click Submit at the bottom of the screen to submit your feedback. And that's it. Now you know how to contact support for Bleach Soul Resonance. Whenever you have any kind of in-game problems, you can contact the support by following these steps. The support team will be there for you. Just stay calm, explain clearly, and you'll be good to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.